Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another comparison video. These have always been very popular on my channel. You guys love them and I know why. Everybody wants to know whether or not they should choose one or the other of two very similar products, especially if they're both very popular and so many people love both of them. Which one do you choose? So I'm bringing you all that information today while we talk about Caudalie's Beauty Elixir versus Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So here both of them are in my hot little hands. I of course own both and have used both multiple times over the years. I've purchased both of these multiple times over the years, and without a doubt I definitely prefer one of them heads and tails above the other. And before I get into that though, I'm going to give you some details on both of them so you can decide which one is best for you. First, let's talk about price. Both of these are only $1 apart from each other. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to call that the same price. They are pretty much, give or take $1, the same price. Caudalie's Beauty Elixir is 59 Canadian or 49 US for this size. It does come in two sizes, as does Tatcha's. This is the full size 100 mils or 3.4 fluid ounces. And Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist is 58 Canadian or 48 US for, wait for it, 40 mils, 1.35 fluid ounces. So even though there's only a $1 difference, the amount is astronomically different, as I'm sure you could already tell by the packaging, but sometimes packaging can be deceiving. But in this case, you are getting so much more Caudalie than you are Tatcha, so definitely keep that in mind. Now, as I said, those two products that I own right now are both full-size products, but both Caudalie and Tatcha have minis, which is great. We always love when companies and brands put out minis, especially of very expensive products. Just get the mini to try it out, see if you like it, then you can buy the full size, right? So Caudalie's mini is a 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce bottle you can purchase for 22 Canadian dollars or 18 US. Now Tatcha's mini is around the same price, 24 Canadian or 20 US, just a couple bucks off, but you're only getting 12 mils or 0.4 ounces in their mini. That's crazy. So once again, Caudalie for the win as far as the standard size goes and the mini. So get you some Caudalie. Caudalie's Beauty Elixir actually got its name because it is inspired by Queen Isabel of Hungary's elixir of youth that she used to use way back when, and Caudalie decided to come up with their own elixir of youth in a sense and called it their beauty elixir. Now, if you're thinking that both of these do the exact same thing, they give you the exact same effect, you are absolutely wrong. These products, even though they do have quite a few similarities, they also have quite a few differences. Now, Caudalie is described and marketed as a radiance booster. That's what you use this for, to boost the radiance in your skin. And Tatcha, as the name suggests, is more so to give you a dewy look, a wet look to the skin, which in my opinion is different from radiance. Radiance is brightness, youthfulness, just a freshness, a fresh look to the skin. And when you're using something to give you a very dewy look, that is definitely more to do with looking hydrated, wet, a very moisturized look. So for me, those are two different things, and that's why these two products, even though they look similar and you may think do the same thing, there is that difference there. There are quite a few similarities that both of these products will provide you. If you're looking for some type of facial mist that you can use under your makeup, both of these are great for that. You can spray down your beauty sponge that you're using to apply your makeup with either one of these. You can set your makeup with both of these. You can refresh your makeup throughout the day with both of these. So there are quite a few similarities. They do perform quite a few of the same functions, but like I said, you are going to get a different overall look and feel to your skin and makeup depending on which one you choose to use. Caudalie's Beauty Elixir is plant-based. It contains 100% natural ingredients such as grapes. If you know anything about the Caudalie line, grapes are in everything pretty much. Rose oil, rosemary, it gives a very spa herbal type of scent when you do spray it, as opposed to Tatcha, which doesn't give you any sort of scent whatsoever. So if fragrance is an issue, that's something to keep in mind. There is a strong scent, but a nice scent, nothing to me that is overpowering or would be that irritating. But if you are very sensitive to scents, just know that Caudalie does have one and Tatcha does not. Tatcha contains 20% botanical oils, and it also contains hyaluronic acid. Another big difference between these two products is on Tatcha's website, it specifically suggests that you only use 2 to 3 sprays. And I absolutely see why, and you are about to see why in this demo that I'm about to show you. I use my hands that I rub down as much as I possibly could to get any oil or lotion or anything off. I have bone dry hands that I'm showing you in this demo, and I'm spritzing several sprays of both Tatcha and Caudalie, one on one hand, one on the other, and you will see it is obvious which one is going to give you a particular sort of finish to the skin and look to the skin versus the other. Hopefully you can see, I know the lighting isn't the best, but on the hand that I sprayed the 5 sprays of Tatcha, you can clearly see that that is way more luminous and dewy looking than the Caudalie side. Even now, as I'm feeling the back of my hand, I can feel the oil. On the Caudalie hand, I don't feel anything. My hand looks nice, but okay, maybe that's a better representation. You can see a lot more luminosity on this hand than this hand. So of course, I'm sure from that you can guess which one my combo oily behind loves. Of course, Caudalie. I am a huge Caudalie lover. I've used Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist in the past, and it just made me way too greasy. So definitely all you normal to dry skins, go for Tatcha. Normal to oily, Caudalie is the one for you. So that's it, guys. That is my comparison of Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist versus Caudalie's Beauty Elixir, 2 incredibly popular, very much loved facial mists on the market. Hopefully you have a better understanding of the differences between the two, and you can go out and decide which of the two are going to be best for your skin type and what your specific beauty and makeup needs are. Please give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know every time I do upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.